So today we are here to launch Stellar Talent Search Exam 2025. So as we are about to launch this exam, as you all know, is for class 7th standard to 12th standard, and this is the 7th edition of this Stellar Talent Search exam. So we are here to launch the poster of Stellar Talent Search exam 2025.
Stellar has been conducting this talent search exam in the state of Goa, covering the entire state, and thousands of children have benefited from this particular examination and subsequent training in Stellar, and many of them are benefited to the extent of getting and achieving their dreams. Now, Stellar is continuing this process, and we are increasing the number of centers to help and make it convenient to all the students. Now, I wish all the parents and the schools who are participating should take advantage of this opportunity and send their children so that they also can exhibit their talent and become the leaders of tomorrow's educational field. Now, my team from Stellar has been working quite hard, and they will be approaching all the institutions and the institutions basically, and then I wish them all a success, and let us hope that the system benefits everybody and each one will get an opportunity to participate in this.
This is the 7th edition of Stellar Talent Search Examination, which is going to be conducted on 7th of September. In this exam, students from class 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th will be participating. Students across the Goa of different schools are going to participate. In that, last year more than 100 schools participated. This year we are expecting more number of schools to participate in ETSC. Other than that, we are going to conduct this exam across 12 centers in Goa, which will give opportunity to students from each and every place, every nook and corner of Goa to participate and avail the opportunity to get scholarships and get a recognition and certificate from Stellar for their performance, and they can benchmark themselves how they are doing, what is their level of proficiency and how that can be made better to enhance their career opportunities. So I congratulate our team to organize this, and at the same time I would like most of the students to avail this opportunity and get the maximum scholarship as well as to benchmark their performance and get a certificate and merit rewards.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.